Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.1%. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar pair skyrocketed 1.9% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
About 24% of crude oil production and 18% of natural gas output in the US Gulf of Mexico was shut in response to Hurricane Helene, the US Bureau of Safety and Environmental Enforcement said. Oil and natural gas production losses fell for the second consecutive day after reaching a peak of 511,000 barrels on Wednesday. The Federal Reserve is likelier than not to deliver a second 50 basis point interest rate cut in November, traders expect, after a government report showed US inflation has cooled to a pace nearer to the central bank's 2% goal. Treasury yields and the dollar fell while the Dow registered a record closing high as a subdued US inflation report lifted expectations of an outsized interest rate cut at the Federal Reserve's November policy meeting. A global stock index also reached a record high, helped by China's stimulus boost, and European shares posted an all-time high close.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Japan's unemployment rate will be released at 23:30 GMT, the UK's gross domestic product at 6 GMT, Japan's annualized housing starts at 5 GMT. Germany's retail sales will be released at 6 GMT. The US Dallas Fed Manufacturing Business Index at 14:30 GMT. Germany's Harmonized Index of Consumer Prices at 12 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.